What is going on, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas day 14? Yes, day 14. I had a late night at work, so tonight's going to be a short Vlogmas. What we're trying to do is get a picture of the dogs. We want to finish the Christmas card, and Mom had a great idea for the Christmas card, which is to do a collage. So she wants to include a picture of the family from New York City and then a picture of the pups dressed in their Christmas outfits. In a minute we're going to put them on by the tree. So we're going to see if we can get the second picture to the collage tonight. Did you just say put that or his pajamas on? What's the difference?
This is a hoodie. The other one is...
Well, Chelsea looks like she wants that one.
Christmas pajamas.
Well, what's Chelsea got? I thought they were going in their elf stuff. Like, remember they were just...
Bigger.
Come here, where are you going?
He's like, bye.
Come on. You get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. Get dressed. Oh, where's the card from last year? Show everybody what it looks like. I'll post it on the screen. You have a picture, right? I'm gonna post it. It's gonna be right here. This is like, what's going on? It's so big on him, though. I remember when we bought that.
After Christmas, right?
Yeah, didn't I do like on bagging and put him in that, and he was on the bar?
Did you?
I think I did. I'm gonna insert that clip right now. It's gonna look cute. This is for Max when he gets bigger. This was originally 27, got it for 10. This won't fit him now. Hey. Big. You can grow into it, Max. Say, Max. There we go. You like it, Max? It's for next Christmas, buddy. He's in there.
We thought you'd be bigger, Max. So we got you extra large.
Alright, get this picture.
You want treats?
Me too. Where's my treat? Where's my Tostitos? My Christmas Tostitos. Chelsea likes picture time too because she knows she gets fed treats while she just sits there.
She'll stay there forever.
Yeah. Looks good. I remember I smacked it and it was on the butt here. Now it's good. Chelsea's like, we getting food now or what? You hungry, Chelly Belly?
Chelly.
Max is like, I will follow you. You have the chips, sir.
Danny and I are both.
You want a tree? You want a tree?
Ciao.
Shelly Bell. Want a treat? Here. Sit pretty. Good boy. She missed something. Shelly. Alright. It's so much fun to eat Tostitos when they're trees. Where do we go?
They're trees.
Whoa!
They look like trees with snow.
Why are they red and not green, though? If they're trees.
Treat.
I'm under Mom. Mom's taking the picture. Did you hit me? We got so many cute photos. We're gonna show the best couple photos. Alright guys, like I said, short and sweet Vlogmas. I was busy, very busy today. Tomorrow we'll be back with a full length Vlogmas, and then the next day we got some more good things coming up. I told you this is like the week, the best week. We got some good things coming up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we will see you tomorrow. Peace.
Max.
You're at 13.
Unlucky number.
We got Donald yesterday.
It's a bigger one.
Big?
Yeah, that head. It's probably Mickey. Something.
Yeah, it's in my hand. I didn't see it. Feels like Mickey. Yeah.
It's Mickey.
Bro, the way you just dog her out of picture.
Max, I took her already. Your tail is in it. Get it. She won't get out.
I thought we were done, but Mom just keeps
I
going.
want single.
She just keeps taking the pictures.
Max, look. Max. Max. Making a treat.
Helped her a little bit. Alright, now we're really out.